Good evening, all of you. Today we are start the political science first lesson, the post World War political development. Now see, in the last year we see the self government institution, then Indian constitution is there, and this all things we see in the last year civics means there is a political science is there in ninth standard. But in this year we are going to learn in a how the Indian government relation with the other countries is there. Now we are going to learn the relation between the India's with other countries. Which one is do the investment and the business. Now see here, all of you, we are going to study the India relation with the world. You must have understood world geography through the study of geography. You must have become the familiar with the global historical event through the study of history. Now, through the study of political science, we are going to study the India's relationship with the world and some major global issue. Now, India's relation with all other countries is not same. There is some mismatch is there, means there is a love is there, otherwise there is a fight is there in other means both countries. Now there is a Pakistan is there with Pakistan. India's relationship is not good because there are so much problems are created in between Pakistan and India. Now see, we are depend on the different person, institution or organism in the society for the different reason. Means we are always we depend on each other. Means we are not fulfilled because for production of medicine we want raw material from China, otherwise from America. Like that system is there. That's why every person is there in the society is depend on each other. Now our social life is interdependent and mutual cooperation has very important place in it. Means in our daily life there is a mutual cooperation is so much important. Like that in between two countries there is a mutual understanding is also important. Now just as it true about the individual and society, it apply to the different nation as well. As means this one is apply in society as well as in both nations also. There are many independent nation in the world like India. Some exchange and interaction goes on between them constantly. This interdependent state also enter into the treaties with each other. Means there is a business is there, otherwise they do the import export business is there, some production, a system of all independent several state comes up. We call it international system. And when there is a export is in between the all other countries, now that time we say that there is a international system is there. Let us now the feature of the international system. Which are the features of the international system? The first features of international system is the interdependence. Now all the countries of the world are depend on each other. Means every country is not fulfill. All countries are depend with each other. Now, however, the big prosperous or development of the nation, maybe it can be self-sufficient about all its needs. Even big nation have to depend upon other big and small nation. Means which one is a big country and developed countries is there, they also depend on the developing countries. Now there is a recently one example is there, the United States means America. The Donald Trump of the president of that America, he means he means he give the opportunity to India. Means Indian government is there is a hydrochloric medicine is there na, that Donald Trump want that medicine because that medicine cure the means there is a good result for the coronavirus is there. because that hydrochloric is present in India. That's why Donald Trump demand to India, you have to do the help to us for the hydrochloric medicine. Thus the big countries also need of other another one countries. Now international system, today's global system is there. Now international relation through the foreign policy. Now what is the foreign policy is there? Every nation has a policy about its internal dealing, as also about its relation with other nation. Means there is a every country is do the deal with another one countries. Such a policy is called a foreign policy, और उसको ही क्या बोलते हैं, foreign policy. We are going to study India's foreign policy in the deal in the next chapter. Now background. In the world in which we live today has been shaped through the many events and development. Hence we need to go back to history in the order to understand the today's world. We know that the two world war were fought in the last century. Means if we see the history now, there is a in the last century there is a two world war is fought in between the last century. There were the most important event in the world in that century. The world completely changed because of them, and because of that world war, the whole the countries is changed. Now no new current of thought emerged. Let us understand we else happened due to this world war. The First World War. The First World War has fought between the 1914 and 1918. Major countries of Europe took a part in it. Means the First World War is fought in between 1914 to 1918, and the major countries of Europe took part in it. Europe had a very central place in the international or the global system at the time. मतलब यूरोप हैड अ वेरी सेंट्रल प्लेस, मतलब यूरोप का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट था ये ग्लोबल सिस्टम में, इंटरनेशनल और ग्लोबल सिस्टम एट दैट टाइम. द वॉर कॉज द ट्रिमेंडस लॉस ऑफ द लाइफ एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. और जो वॉर हुआ था इसके कारण है ना बहुत सारा लॉस हुआ था, प्रॉस्पेरिटी और लाइफ का भी, सब मतलब पैसे का भी नुकसान हुआ था और बहुत सारे आदमी मरे भी थे. द कंट्रीज विच जॉइंट द वॉर सफर ट्रिमेंडस इकोनॉमिक लॉस, और दोज आर कंट्री डू द फाइट इन बिटवीन दैट वॉर ना, दैट कंट्रीज सफर फ्रॉम so many economic problems because there is no earning source is there. Now even the country which did not join the war were impacted by the war. Now see here, now there is a war in between India and Pakistan is there. Then what happened, there is so much problems are happening in other countries also. They also because if we export some things now, that export things we cannot export to other countries. That's why there also impact is there on the war. Understand the economics of the victories as well as economics of the victory as well as the losing country collapse. मतलब whole countries are collapse. नाउ कंट्रीज इन्वॉल्व इन द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. अभी कौन कौन से कंट्रीज फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में इन्वॉल्व हुए थे, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. नाउ अलाई पावर, Britain, France, Russia, Italy and America is there, and Central Power is there, Germany, Australia, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. Now at the end of the First World War, all the nation felt as such that war should not be happen again. Means when the war is then at that time every country fight. Means both countries are do or die, means they are situation at do or die. But when the war is completed now, that time they understand how much problems are created in our country. That's why this war is not happen against, and some measure need to be taken to achieve the end. And the international organization called the League of the Nation was established out the thinking. It became an important platform to solve the international dispute. and because of that there is a one institute organization is formed, and that organizations did the job. They solve the problem in between the both countries. Now there is a main responsibility of that organization is to solve the all problem in between the both countries. Now League of the Nation was understood to the avoid the war, or वो League of the Nation is there ना, that understand to avoid the war. After the first world war, the major changes come about in the Europe and outside Europe. Means when the first world war happened, that time the so much problem, major changes are happening in Europe. For example, earlier empires in the यूरोप कोलैप्स, मतलब जो भी बिजनेस थे वो सब क्या हुए थे, कोलैप्स हुए थे. एंड न्यू नेशन केम इनटू द बिगिनिंग, और नए सारे नेशंस क्या हुए थे, बिगिनिंग में आए थे, मतलब शुरू हो गए. मेनी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज हैड देयर कॉलोनीज इन द कंटिनेंट ऑफ अफ्रीका एंड आशिया. और जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज है ना, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ने क्या किया था, आशिया और अफ्रीका में अपना अपना क्या किया था, कॉलोनी इस्टेब्लिश किए थे. मूवमेंट फॉर द इंडिपेंडेंस स्टार्टेड इन दिस कॉलोनीज, और मूवमेंट फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कॉलोनी. दिस मूवमेंट challenge the hegemony of the European nations. Or League of the Nation was established after the First World War टू इस्टेब्लिश द पीस. और इसी कारण जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ था उसके बाद लीग ऑफ नेशन ने क्या किया था, यू हैव टू मेंटेन द पीस इन, यू हैव टू इस्टेब्लिश द पीस, यू डोंट फाइट विथ ईच अदर, एंड विच वन प्रॉब्लम्स इज देयर इन बिटवीन टू कंट्रीज, यू हैव टू सॉल्व विथ योर ओपिनियन, एंड यू हैव टू come forward. But it did not succeed at prevalent war. Autocratic regime came up to Germany, Italy, Spain and other countries. All this development accumulated in the Second World War. Now Second World War. The Second World War was fought between the 1939 and 1945. It proved to be far more destructive than the First World War. और ये जो वॉर था, ये क्या था, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर है ना, ये ना पहले वर्ल्ड वॉर से भी बहुत भयानक था. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर नॉट ओनली द वॉज इट मोर वाइड स्प्रेड कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. और जो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर था ना, वो है ना फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर से भी क्या हुआ था, बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हुआ था, फैल गया था वर्ल्ड वॉर. बट ऑल्सो मोर एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी वॉज एम्प्लॉय इन दिस ईयर. मतलब ये इसमें क्या हुआ था, बहुत सारा है ना एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज के ना आर्म्स यूज़ किए गए थे. कंट्री विच took the part in the Second World War once again faced the situation of economic problem. और obviously जो भी countries वर्ल्ड वॉर में क्या करते, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, they have so much problems for the economic situation is there. Now say countries involved in the Second World War, Allied power is there, Axis power. Now Allied power is there, Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China and America. Axis power is there, Germany, Japan and Italy. Now America play a major role in the Second World War. अमेरिका ने सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रोल प्ले किया था इन सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. इट हैड मैन्युफैक्चर द न्यूक्लियर वेपन, और उन्होंने क्या किया था, दे मैन्युफैक्चर द न्यूक्लियर वेपन. इन ऑर्डर टू एंड वॉर इट ड्रॉप टू न्यूक्लियर ऑन द टू सिटीज ऑफ जापान एंड हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी. मतलब अमेरिका ने जापान के हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में क्या किया था, वो न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब क्या किए थे, डाले थे. द 6 and 9 August 1945, the Second World War ended with this defeat of Germany in the Europe of the Japan in Asia. Among the many events that took place in the world after the Second War was the beginning of the Cold War. Now that war is beginning of the Cold War, मतलब उसका कन्वर्सेशन कोल्ड वार में हुआ, और वो 1945 to 1991 में a long period of the Cold War is there. Now what is the Cold War is there? Now we are going to learn. Now America and the Soviet Union. who were the allies in the Second World War became the competitor as soon as the war got over. मतलब अमेरिका एंड सोवियत यूनियन थे, वो क्या थे, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में वो एक दूसरे के कॉम्पिटिटर बने एज सुन एज द वॉर गेट ओवर, और उसके बाद ही क्या हुआ, वॉर ख़त्म हुआ. द कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन देम गेव वे टू द रिवेलरी. दिस रिवेलरी ऑक्यूपाइड पीरियड ऑफ द 40 to 45 ईयर्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स. और उसका जो इम्पैक्ट हुआ वो 45 ईयर्स उनके बिजनेस पर हुआ. नाउ ऑफ इंटरनेशनल पॉलिसी देयर वाज नो ओपन वॉर बिटवीन द टू कंट्रीज. और इसका नतीजा क्या हुआ कि इन कंट्रीज के बीच में कभी भी 40 से 45 साल उनके बीच में कभी भी क्या नहीं हुआ, वॉर नहीं हुआ. बट देयर वाज सच अ टेंशन इन द रिलेशन. नाउ लेकिन उनके बीच में क्या था, तभी भी टेंशन था उन दो कंट्रीज के, अमेरिका और सोवियत नेशन. दैट इज द सेम दैट वॉर वुड इप्रूट एनी टाइम. मतलब कभी भी वो वॉर क्या हो जाता है, उभर कर आ सकता है. द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द कोल्ड वॉर is used to describe the condition where there is no actual war, but there is such a tension in the circumstance that they may be responsible to cause the war. मतलब उनमें ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते कि पहले वॉर हुए होते, उसका नतीजा वो कोल्ड वॉर में हुआ था, लेकिन बाद में ऐसा लगता है उनको कि अभी ये टेंशन के कारण क्या हो रहा है, वापस वॉर होगा क्या, ऐसा उनकी सोच क्या होती है, हर टाइम वो टेंशन में ही रहते हैं. इन दिस पीरियड द अमेरिका वॉज ऑलरेडी सुपर पावर. और उस टाइम क्या हुआ था, अमेरिका सुपर पावर पर था. बट द सोवियत यूनियन ऑल्सो ट्राई टू बिकम द सुपर पावर बाय मेकिंग द न्यूक्लियर वेपन. और उस टाइम सिर्फ अमेरिका के पास ही न्यूक्लियर वेपन था सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में. लेकिन कोल्ड वॉर में क्या हुआ था, ये सोवियत यूनियन है ना, उनके पास भी क्या हुआ था, न्यूक्लियर वेपन का उन्होंने भी क्या किया था, इन्वेंशन किया था. But the Soviet Union also tried to become the super by using the nuclear weapon by increasing its military might. मतलब उन्होंने उनकी मिलिट्री भी क्या की थी, बढ़ाई थी. The struggle for the power, arms race, difference in ideologies, attitude of check making each other by strategizing, counter strategy gave rise to the Cold War. और जो कोल्ड वॉर हुआ था ना, उसमें क्या हुआ था मालूम है, एक दूसरे के सीमा में जाना, एक दूसरे के जो सैनिक है, सोल्जर्स हैं, उनको मारना, इसके कारण ही क्या हुआ था, कोल्ड वॉर हुआ था. Now see here, effect of the Cold War. Now creation of the military organization. During the Cold War, both the superpower create the military organization. जैसे ही कोल्ड वॉर हुआ था ना, तो दोनों कंट्रीज ने अपने अपने क्या किए थे, मिलिट्री फोर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाए थे. द रिस्पेक्टिव सुपर पावर टुक अप द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द कंट्री ज्वाइनिंग द मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लीड बाय देम. मतलब जो रिस्पेक्टिव सुपर पावर टुक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मतलब जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो क्या करती थी, वो पूरे अपने जो कंट्रीज है उसकी सुरक्षितता का क्या करती थी, हामी लेती थी, मतलब चैलेंज लेती थी. नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अंडर द डोमिनेंस ऑफ अमेरिका, वाइल द वार्सोय पैक्ट वाज द मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अंडर द कमांड ऑफ द सोवियत यूनियन. मतलब अमेरिका की अलग मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी और सोवियत यूनियन की अलग मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी. अभी बायपोलराइजेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अभी बायपोलराइजेशन मतलब क्या है, देखते. ड्यूरिंग द कोल्ड वॉर मोस्ट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ज्वाइन आइदर द टू सुपर पावर ब्लॉक्स. Such a division of the nation of the world into group is a bipolarization. Means there is a two countries are there and they are superior. The scope of the cold war increased due to this. The sphere of tension spread. और उसके कारण ही क्या हुआ था, ये टेंशन क्या हुआ था, स्पेयर जब सब जगह क्या हुआ था, स्प्रेड हुआ था. Now we are going to learn the another one topic in the next lecture. Good evening all of you. Thank you.